So Devontae, what you doing in this video?
Alley-oops.
And Trey, what do you plan on doing in this video?
Backflips.
Okay then, we have this settled. And after this, we can go to my house and flip on a trampoline.
Yay!
And then we can do all sorts.
Oh, get right here, bro.
Okay, y'all, tell me, where y'all gonna be doing alley-oops from? Give me a good idea on where to go. All right.
Right here. Let's go. Got my old D Rose song. Oh.
Dude, you trying to be like D Rose?
Take flight. Come on, sir. Come on. Dang, two.
Epic fail 1.
Let's go.
How's it feel?
Right there. Come on, man. You're going too early, man. What are you doing? What are you doing? Scoot in right there.
Hey Trey, you know what? Wait, you record this, okay? I'm gonna throw them out with you.
Alright, that's cool. Hurry up, some shit. Scoot in, Terry. Scoot in. Right there. The heck, huh?
Dude,
But you throw it on the
Devontae, try. Okay, I'm going to try something. I'm gonna throw it low to you. You do that.
I can't do that.
I can do that, but I don't want to.
Go high. Go like that.
Yeah, perfect.
Y'all just throwing it too early. I mean, throw it. Wait a minute, throw it. One more time. Just let y'all get ready to jump. That way I'm still running.
Ooh.
Y'all do not throw out.
Hey man, let me do it. Here, let me try.
Y'all got
Try one more.
stand right here. Just do that.
Here, let me try one more.
Oh.
Let me try. Here you go.
Alrighty.
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh shit. Okay.